north. They went over the dam face. Are you ready? Yep. Good job. Resident arsonist for bomb squads making another batch.
Yeah. What's this? I'm gonna put it in a watermelon.
All right, you ready?
Yeah.
Good job. Good pickup. Powder.
Oh, I feel bad for it.
Are you recording this?
Yeah. Put this in here. Yeah, I'm gonna Alright, so we got a half pound of Tannerite. So it'll be Tannerite versus watermelon.
And I mentioned the side glass here.
Oh yeah. It vaporized it.
I mean, look, even on the side of this, it's just mud. And it hasn't rained here for a long time, so, wow.
Yeah, there's some there's a residue over there. Oh yeah. Wow, that's crazy. Hey look, there isn't even a piece of watermelon the size of a quarter. Yeah, this color is